Everyone online is saying AI can make you money on autopilot. But here's the problem. Nobody shows what happens when a beginner actually tries it. So I tested it myself. For 7 days, I tried to make money with AI starting from zero. No coding, no paid ads, no audience, just the same tools everyone else has access to. And what happened surprised me. I didn't start with anything complicated. I tested 3 popular AI money ideas that are everywhere online right now. Things like content creation, AI writing, and basic automation. The first thing I tried is what most beginners do, using AI to create content and hoping the money just shows up. I used AI to write posts, generate captions, even create short scripts. And honestly, nothing happened. No traction, no engagement, no money. And this is where most people get AI completely wrong. They think AI makes money by itself. It doesn't. AI doesn't replace effort. It replaces time. If there's no real problem being solved, AI won't magically fix that. So halfway through the week, I changed my approach. Instead of asking how AI can make me money, I asked a better question. What boring problem do people already pay for? That AI could help solve faster? That's when things started to change. I stopped trying to build an AI business and started using AI as a tool. I used AI to help with simple tasks, writing content faster, cleaning up messy information, speeding up work that normally takes hours. Nothing flashy, nothing viral. But something important happened. People actually responded. Not massive money, not overnight success, but real interest, real conversations, and a clear path forward. Here's the biggest lesson from the 7-day test. AI works best in the background. The people winning with AI aren't selling AI. They're selling results, faster. If you're a beginner, don't chase every new tool. Don't wait until you feel ready. And don't fall for hype. Pick one simple problem. Use AI to solve it faster than everyone else. And build from there. If you want real AI systems, not hype, follow and subscribe. I'm testing this so you don't waste time.